Start.
I'm Aaron Ulmer. I'm Mike Treffert.
And Garrett Stouse.
And this is our senior design project, Platypus Hero.
Alright. So basically how it works is, this is it's called an FPGA board. It can implement hardware, but it's programmable, so it's hard to explain, I guess. But basically it holds logic that we can put a processor on here, and in hardware it'll synthesize into a processor on the board. And basically our game sends in a keyboard input here, the PS2 input, and this is the input for the Guitar Hero controller.
Which in this case is a Bluetooth controller.
Yeah. And then this is a VGA signal out, which goes to the monitor over here. And everything in this design is controlled in hardware, and there's software running on the processor. But the drivers are all written by us. We wrote the processor, we wrote the assembler, and the game code.
Alright, so we're just going to demo how this game works. So basically what we do is we play a song on the computer right here, and it sends an audio signal out into our board. And what our board does is then it processes that data and finds different beats in there. It finds treble beats and bass beats, and based on that it'll drop down blocks on the screen. And then using the guitars, you have to hit the beats when they reach a certain point, kind of like you do in Guitar Hero. So I guess we'll do a two-player game between me and Gary right now so we can kind of demo it to you.
Aaron's going to be on?
Yeah, probably.
You want to do networking?
Yeah. Oh, shoot.
So yeah, we also have networking capabilities. So we have two boards right now in the lab. Okay, I don't know if you want to show the other board, but they're linked right now via a serial cable. So
I'm holding together right now.
Yeah, which Mike is wired up right here. And
yeah, so basically the board that you're looking at that we were showing you before is the host, and then the board that I'm going to be using is the slave. So the host will start a game, and it's the one that's going to be taking in the audio data, and it's going to be basically just be sending the audio data back to my board so I can have the blocks fall down on my board, and so then me and Garrett can play each other on two different boards. So let's demo that.
so right now it's playing. You'll notice that the eggs are more or less lining up with beats. You're doing pretty good.
It's playing.
Wow,
They're playing in the network. Yeah.
Look at that.
So in network mode, there's two screen options that you can have. You can have both players display on the screen, or display just your own screen, which Garrett can do here by selecting the start button, and only display your notes.
You suck.
Looks like my score's a lot higher than yours, Aaron.